Hello students, welcome to tutoringcluster.com. So we are solving the examples on arithmetic progression. So till now we have seen what is sequence, what is series, and how we can find the nth term of the arithmetic progression, then how we can find the summation of first n terms of the sequence which are in AP, right? So hope you have seen all the previous videos. Now in this video we are going to solve a very good examples on finding four numbers which are in AP. Okay, या व्हिडिओ मध्ये आपण चार नंबर्स कसे फाइंड आउट करायचे, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड फोर नंबर्स विच आर इन AP. ओके, एक्झाम्पल 3. इन एक्झाम्पल 3 आपण काय बघितलं होतं की तीन नंबर्स जर AP मध्ये असले, हाउ वी कॅन सॉल्व इट. Okay, you can assume a minus d, a and a plus d. Now let's say four numbers are in AP, and if conditions are given, how we are going to solve it. So let four numbers in AP as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. राईट. तर तुम्ही जर डिफरन्स घेतला तर किती येणार आहे डिफरन्स बघा. a मायनस डी मायनस ए प्लस 3d. व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्स. ए काय होतील कॅन्सल होतील, डिफरन्स इज 2d. ओके, सिमिलरली a प्लस डी मायनस ए प्लस डी. सो ए आणि ए काय होतील कॅन्सल होतील, अगेन डिफरन्स इज 2d. So difference is what? Difference is what? Common. So whatever numbers you are assuming, those are in AP. Those are in AP. Now, what is the first condition? Read the example. Find the four numbers in AP such that sum of first and last number is 8 and product of second and third number is 12. Okay. What is the first condition? First condition काय आहे? Sum of first and last number. What is the first number? A minus 3d plus what is the last number a plus 3d. What is the summation? It is 8. So 3d and 3d it is going to get cancelled. So 2a is equal to 8. Therefore what is a? 8 upon 2, which is nothing but 4. Okay, very easy. Then read the second condition. Product of second and third number. Now take the product. What is the second number? A minus d, right? बघा हा काय फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ. सो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेकंड अँड थर्ड a plus d is equal to 12. So what is a minus b into a plus b? See, what is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So let us use this. So this will be a square minus d square, which is equal to 12. So a square 12 जर इकडे आणला तर काय होईल मायनस, आणि हा d स्क्वेअर मी राईट हँड साईडला नेतोय. राईट. सो a we already know. What is the value of a? It is 4. So therefore 4 square minus 12 is equal to d square. So 16 minus 12, which is equal to d square. Therefore d square is equal to 4, which gives d is equal to plus minus 2. Right? Okay. So we have got a is equal to 4 and value of d, it is plus minus 2. So let us find the four numbers. So in first case a it is equal to 4 and I am taking d as positive. Second case मध्ये a is equal to 4 and d is equal to minus 2. What are your numbers? A minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. So find the numbers, put the values of a and d. Okay. Now what is a? 4 minus 3 into 2. 4 minus 6, it will be minus 2. then a minus d 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2, then a plus d 4 plus 2 which is equal to 6, and 4 plus 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 4 10. So what are the numbers? Minus 2, 2, 6 and 10. Now let us see how you are what you are number getting with a is equal to 4 and d is equal to minus 2. So first number is a minus 3d. Okay, so a minus 3 into minus 2 which is equal to 4 plus 6 which is equal to 10. Second is a minus d, 4 minus of minus 2 which is equal to 4 plus 2 which is equal to 6. Third is a plus d, 4 plus minus 2 which is equal to 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2. A plus 3d, 4 plus 3 into minus 2, 4 minus 6, right? 3 into minus 2, minus 6 which is equal to minus 2. So therefore 4 numbers in AP are minus 2, 2, 6 and 10. This is your answer. Check करा whether they are in AP or not. You can check. किती येणार आहे डिफरन्स बघा. 2 minus of minus 2. How much it is? 4. 6 minus 2. 4. 10 minus 6. 4 म्हणजे काय? जे तुम्ही सिक्वेन्स फाइंड आउट केलेला आहे त्याच्यात काय कॉमन डिफरन्स आहे. कॉमन डिफरन्स ऑफ 4. So therefore minus 2, 2, 6 and 10 these are in AP, right? So this is the method to solve if example is based on 4 numbers which are in AP, right? So I have told you a step by step methodology to solve such type of example. So hope you have understood it. So please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and please do like my YouTube channel as well as like these videos, and please do share with your friends. Thank you.